I'm Ross.
And I'm Pete.
And we're the co-directors of a design studio called INSTRMNT. As a design studio, we're known primarily for building watches, but we are a full-service studio, so we work on a number of lifestyle goods. I think one of the key things that set us apart when we first started the studio was building a watch that the customer had to assemble themselves. And it's something that's been important to us through our design education of having a connection between product and user. As a studio primarily known for watches, it's maybe surprising that we weren't always considering making a watch for this. We wanted to really dive into the brief and find out the inspirations and aspects that would be most important to it. And once we went on the visits to the 3 locations, we realised that there was 3 clear inspirational aspects there.
Each location really influenced a separate component of the watch. Got the dial inspiration from the brewery visit. Also the case back, so it's concentric circles, basically it's like referencing a plan view of a keg.
So visiting Arbois in Bordeaux was the place where we got a lot of our inspiration. The processes there had a certain calmness about them, and the raw materials that they used and the materials that were left over in the processes. And we ended up looking at those materials that were left over and thinking, could they be incorporated into our product in almost a zero waste style process, which was something nice because it really feeds into part of the overall instrument ethos. The final visit that we made for the project was to the cooperage in Speyside, and we started discussing the materials that are used, and we thought there was quite a lot of parallels between the leather straps that we've produced on all of our watches. Yeah, there's something quite interesting about the way that a strap will patina over time and the way that the barrels have patinaed themselves over their life cycle. And we're really happy with the final outcome.